Once geologists have identified a potentially prospective area, early stage or reconnaissance scale exploration can commence. This phase investigates relatively large areas of ground, possibly tens of thousands of kilometres square in size. Collection and analysis of pre-existing data is an essential first step. This may include geological or geochemical maps, satellite imagery, and data from any previous exploration work. The aim here is to better understand the geology and identify specific areas for more detailed assessment. The next stage will be to get on the ground to survey the most promising areas identified by the previous, typically desk-based studies, to verify previous work and potentially meet landowners. This involves geologists visiting locations to look at the rocks and hunt for surface expressions of minerals that might indicate something more at depth. It's likely to include detailed geological mapping, which involves walking or driving over the land to map geological features. For example, changes in rock type and structures such as faults. Rock samples will be collected with a hammer, and soil and sediment samples may also be taken. These will be sent to a laboratory to determine if they contain certain elements that may indicate a mineral deposit is present in the area. Geophysics may be used to measure the physical properties of the rocks and, for example, identify magnetic zones that may be associated with certain types of mineral. Interpreting and combining all the new data produced allows smaller target areas to be prioritised for more intensive investigation. This more advanced mineral exploration may include digging trenches to expose the bedrock for mapping and further detailed rock sampling. However, since many mineral deposits are buried by other rocks and are three-dimensional structures, to fully understand them, we need to explore and obtain representative rock samples from beneath the surface. This is achieved through drilling to produce rock chips or cylindrical samples known as core. The samples are examined for minerals of interest and sections are sent to laboratories for analysis to measure the concentration of different elements present. A typical drilling program will involve drilling hundreds or even thousands of meters of drill holes into a mineral deposit, potentially costing millions of euros. Therefore, drilling will only be undertaken if it is considered on the basis of all available existing geological evidence that a valuable mineral deposit might be present.